For this project, first you'll need Elmer's glue and a paintbrush. Cover your hand with Elmer's glue. You will need to apply 5 coats, drying each coat in between with a hairdryer. Once the glue is dry, then you will need some type of powder, whether it be baby powder, any kind of powder. Apply it all over your hand. Slowly start to remove the glue. As you remove, add more powder. You will need cotton to pack your hand. As you can see here, I used a paintbrush just to push the cotton up into the fingers. Once you've filled it with cotton, then you will need to use hot glue to fill in the end. Also, you can fill in any cracks that might have happened during this time. You can add a stick if you want to use this just as a prop for a dummy. Also, like a piece of wire, straw, anything like that you can glue to the end to simulate veins. At this point, you can paint with acrylic paint. I painted flesh colored first and then added the blue and then added another coat of flesh over that just to give it that translucent blue look so it looks dead. This is a great little project, very cheap. I don't think there's a way you could make a hand any cheaper than Elmer's glue and cotton and a little paint. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, subscribe to my channel and check out my other Halloween videos.